Hi everyone, welcome into SKY. Today in this tutorial, we are going to talk about one of the most important and fundamental concept in QA, smoke testing. If you are new to testing or preparation for an interview, this topic is super important to understand. So let's begin. What is smoke testing? Smoke testing is a quick and basic check performed after a new build is deployed. Its purpose is to ensure that the major and critical functionalities of the application are working fine before moving into deeper testing. Smoke testing ensures the build is stable and enough for further QA. Purpose of smoke testing. Purpose of smoke testing to verify that the build is stable, ensure the application is ready for further testing, to quickly identify major issues that block testing. Purpose of testing is to avoid wasting tester time on unstable builds. When do we perform a smoke testing? After new build deployment, when new features are integrated into application, before regression, and deep level testing. Smoke testing is performed before regression and deep level testing. This is real-time example e-commerce website, open website. When the user open website, does homepage load? Homepage should be load when open website. Login. User sign in successfully. After enter the username and password, when the user click on login button, user should be login successfully. Add to cart. Does clicking add to cart work? Check whether add to cart button is working fine or not. Does checkout proceed without errors? If the user add some item to the cart and click on checkout after entering the details. So check whether checkout proceed without errors or successfully checkout process completed. This is some smoke test checklist. Build deployed successfully, login works, dashboard load tests, navigation working, and perform basic CRUD operations. CRUD operations is create, update, and delete. Check whether the major functionalities of the application is working fine. In a smoke testing, check basic CRUD operations. Benefits of a smoke testing. It saves time by catching showstopper bugs early, reduces the risks of testing unstable builds. Smoke testing helps team get quick feedback on the quality of the build because in smoke testing check the major functionalities of the application is working fine. It improves our development and testing efficiency. A smoke testing prevents unnecessary effort on detailed testing when the basic are not working. Conclusion. Smoke testing is equal to quick, essential, time-saving testing that ensures the build is ready for deeper testing. So that's our full today tutorial on smoke testing. If this video helped you understand the concept clearly, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. See you in the next video.